Hi everyone, and welcome to Commercial Real Estate Consulting Group. In this video we're going to talk about office buildings as commercial property. If you're interested in real estate investing or simply curious about how office buildings work, this video is for you. Section 1. What are office buildings? Let's start by defining what we mean by office buildings. An office building is a type of commercial property that is designed and built specifically for business activities. They are typically multi-story buildings that has a variety of businesses, from small startups to large corporations. Features of office buildings. One of the key features of office buildings is their flexibility. They are designed to accommodate a variety of businesses and activities, with private offices, conference rooms, and common areas that can be used by multiple tenants. They also typically have high-quality infrastructure, including advanced heating and cooling systems, elevators, and telecommunications infrastructure. Another important factor in the value of office buildings is their location. They are usually located in central business districts or other areas that are easily accessible to transportation and other amenities. This makes them an attractive option for businesses that need to be located in the heart of the city. How office buildings generate revenue. Office buildings can generate significant revenue for their owners through rent payments from tenants. However, they also require ongoing maintenance and upkeep to maintain their value and attract tenants. This can include things like cleaning, repairs, and upgrades to infrastructure. Who owns office buildings? Office buildings can be owned by a variety of entities, including corporations, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and individual investors. Owning an office building can be a lucrative investment, but it requires a significant upfront investment and ongoing management to ensure the building is well maintained and has a stable tenant base. So there you have it, a quick overview of office buildings as commercial property. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.